Like, where's the lace? Please, tell me where's the lace. If you can find the lace, comment down below. But don't comment. Don't call me out like that. Okay, hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is just gonna be of me dyeing and installing this wig. I don't think I'm gonna be talking too much because, you know, I already did that in the last wig video. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned. Okay, bye. So this is the wig that I'll be dyeing. Right now it's currently like a grayish type color. And I got this wig from WorldNewHair. My boyfriend actually bought me this wig. And in the bag it comes with lashes, a elastic band to help the wig stay in place, and a regular elastic band to go in the wig. The dye that I'm using to color this hair is Adore in the color Cajun Spice number 56. So like I said before, I'm not really going to be talking that much in this video. I'll come in and talk when I try something new with this install. But other than that, you could sit back and enjoy this video. So for this part of the wig, I just wanted to point out that I actually ran out of dye when I was dyeing this hair. So one side will be less vibrant than the other because I had to dilute it with water, so I can make sure I had enough dye for the whole wig. So a new thing that I tried with installing this wig is using pantyhose instead of an actual wig cap. I seen in a different YouTube video, ultra sheer pantyhose are way thinner than regular wig caps. So I used pantyhose instead, and it actually gave me a bald cap, you know, the way a regular wig cap wouldn't have given me.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my voice.
see how the Ultra Stockings is blending way better into my skin than the wig cap did in my last video. Go check out my last video if you haven't already, because then you'll see the difference between the wig cap and the stocking. You've been very much bought a cap right here, very much.
And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby,
So right here you can see me spraying the even holding spray instead of putting the bold hold. I felt like this was better for me since my edges in that area is more thinner than any other part, so I felt like it would be less harsh on my hair. Y'all, where's the light? Tell me that. Right here, I just wanted to point out that I put the glue too far in front of where the wig was gonna lay. So then I had to remove all that glue from my forehead and like basically start all over again. It was a very hard process, trust and believe. I feel like I just don't like this side of my head because y'all know in the last video I was having a problem with this side too. So I just feel like at this point I don't like looking good on that side. I don't know why. My dimple is over there, so I don't understand. Most of it off, but it's not looking the way it was looking before. So I'm gonna probably just spray it with some even and call it a day because I'm not trying to stress myself out.
Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And we try to the bottom of my mountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep.
And then now to just straighten this wig, I went in with the Chi Silk Infusion. Y'all, this small bottle costs like $16. But it's worth it. It is totally worth it. And then I went in with my Baby Bliss flat iron / curler or something like that. I don't know. I got it from the beauty supply store. That was a hefty penny too, but it's all worth it. I'm sorry for the train in the background, but y'all, you cannot tell me I did not body this wig, y'all. Oh, get into it, get into it. I love when my hair be turning out right, because I be feeling so powerful. Like, it's a different type of energy you get when your hair come out good. It's crazy. Very much fuego, very much fire, very much grown out of my scalp. Yes, this is my hair. This is the final result of me coloring and installing this wig, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for my other videos coming, baby. Okay? Okay. Okay?